Hey guys, what's up? Here I am again, with the new tips. This time is a cover of the video that 8 things every woman should know by 21. Very interesting and fun. Number 1. Drink apple cider vinegar. I'm serious, every night, I drink a glass of water, with a splash of this in it. Weird, but make sure it has the mother in it, that's what makes it work. And it's made my skin better, my digestion better, and overall improved my life. Also, you can use it as a toner. Number 2. Clean your room, for no good reason. Sometimes, when no boys coming over to smoosh, your room or apartment is too small to have parties, or you've been really busy. Your living space suddenly becomes the cave of forgotten dreams, and no toilet paper. Yes, you might be single, but you should still pick up your dirty underwear occasionally, for Pete's sake. Just do it, for me. Number 3. Read one classic novel a month. And not a modern classic. I'm talking a Jane Austen John. I know, it's way harder than whipping out that In Touch you stole from the doctor's office, but just think of it as flossing your brain. Number 4. Acquire the ability to go out to restaurants alone. You're a grown-ass woman, and you don't need someone else to give you permission to eat something besides sad ramen, while huddled in your bed watching Top Chef. Number 5. If you're waiting for a dude to change, stop waiting. He won't. Number 6. On the flip, don't go out with a guy just because you're afraid you won't be able to do better, or you feel like you should only because he is interested in you. Life is too short to sit at a bar listening to a guy you give 0.00 craps about talk about his job at Citigroup. Number 7. Stop with the through the pants jobs. Nobody, besides your cousin, Eric's bar mitzvah attendees and maybe Amish guys on Rumspringa wants them. Number 8. Don't worry about the future. Dear Lord, stop worrying. If there's one major thing I could tell myself at 21, it would be to calm the hell down. Everything will be fine. And if it's not, you'll always have apple cider vinegar.